Everywhere you go, if you say I ate food before, they said no, just please a little bit, and then you see that you ate 6, 7, 8 meals and your stomach is full until last part, until your nose is full, but you still should eat again. And this is their like kindness, you know. They are really, although my disability is not a problem for me, I mean I don't need lots of help or care.
You know Iqbal Lahori?
Yes, actually he is my favorite poet in Pakistan because he has some Persian poetries also. And of course when I go to Lahore I'm going to his tomb, his shrine.
ਮੈਂ ਮੀਆਂ ਆਸਿਫ ਅਲੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਰਲਡ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਟਰੈਵਲਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਲੜਕੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੱਲੀ ਈਰਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੀ ਤੇ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਮੁਲਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੁੰਮਦੀ ਫਿਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਨਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸੈਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਬਲਕਿ ਅਗਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਹਿਮ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਪਰਸਨ ਵੀ ਆ। ਬੜੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ। ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ 15 ਜ਼ੁਬਾਨਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਬੂਰ ਹਾਸਲ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਵਾਲਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਗੇ ਕੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਦਾਨੀਆ ਇਨ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ।
बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं पाकिस्तान को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ क्योंकि पाकिस्तान बहुत अच्छा है और पाकिस्तानी बहुत मेहरबान है, बहुत मेहमान नवाज है। बहुत शुक्रिया।
प्लीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
ओके, मेरा नाम दारिया है, मैं ईरान इस्फहान रहती हूँ। मैं उर्दू बहुत अच्छा नहीं है लेकिन मैं उर्दू को बहुत पसंद करती हूँ। आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Please describe us about your journey.
Well, now I'm going to English because this is a language that, okay. Actually, I started from Taftan border. I came to Pakistan. I entered your beautiful country. My first city was Quetta, and from Quetta, that I have very amazing hosts there. I went to Karachi, and from Karachi I went to Mohenjo-daro and Mohabbat-daro Jatoi village. From there also I came to Rahim Yar Khan. From here also I have some cities in my plans like Multan, Bahawalpur, Lahore, Islamabad, Peshawar, Gilgit, and that's it.
Is it your first journey?
Yes, it's my first journey in Pakistan actually, but I'm a backpacker traveler. I started my travel from International Disabled People Day of last year, and it's around 1 year and a half that I'm traveling alone as a backpacker. I traveled to 3 countries: Turkey, Iraq, Armenia, and also I was traveling inside of my country Iran to some parts, and Pakistan is my 4th country. From here also I'm going to India.
Please tell us about some resemblance or difference from Pakistani cities and Iranian cities.
Actually, what that is so important for me is the culture of people. So the thing that I loved a lot in Pakistan is that in some areas, in some homes, you can see that families are living together. Like a lot of families, a lot of people are living together. Their home actually doesn't have something like a border or wall or obstacle. And in Iran, in old times, you could see that, but nowadays, not a lot. And another thing that I loved a lot about Pakistan and Iran, both, that I think it's really clear and one of the loveliest parts of this country is the hospitality. You know, it's really amazing that the doors of Pakistani people, the doors of their home is open to everyone, no difference of that they are foreigner guests or endemic guests from inside of Pakistan. No difference they are man or woman, they are boy or girl, they are young or old. Pakistani people's home is open to everyone, and you never stay without food, without like a place to stay. or without help in Pakistan, because Pakistani people are so caring and helpful. In Iran also you can see it, but I mean in Pakistan you can see it in a very like more how can I say, more touchable. So I loved it so much.
What kind of dishes of Pakistan you like?
Biryani is my favorite, and also aloo keema, I think. Yeah.
You tried lassi?
Yes, lassi. But it was my first time that I was trying lassi in Pakistan, and I loved it so much. But it's not food actually; it's a drink. Because of that, I didn't tell it right now. And also something that it's really interesting for me. Pakistani foods are so delicious and so spicy. So for some of Iranian people, they can't eat. But for me, actually, it was very lovely because my stomach was like used to it after some days, and now and you know what? In Pakistan, people give you, instead of 3 meals, they give you 5 or 6 meals. Everywhere you go, if you say, I ate food before, they said, no, just please a little bit, and then you see that you ate 6, 7, 8 meals, and your stomach is full until last part, until your nose is full, but you still should eat again. And this is their like kindness, you know, they are really amazing. Wherever you go, they give you food. Because of that, I'm telling you that guests never stay like hungry or thirsty in this country.
Your host Imran Bhatti is also here.
Oh my God!
Please,
if I want to explain him, I should write a book. In just 1.5 days that I'm meeting him. Before that, my host in Karachi told me a lot, Mr. Barba and Miss Maria Sumro. They told me that he is a very kind, gentleman, nice and hospitable guy. And of course, you will enjoy with him so much, and his family, oh my God. And they told me that his wife is a very good cook. She's also so kind. So when I came here, I understood that what they told me is true, but it's nothing according to I see here, you know. Actually, you know, in Pakistan, I was visiting a river in Mohenjo. But it's really interesting for me. As you know, I have a kind of visual impairment, or we can say disability. And because of that, I always, when I want to find host, I tell them, please read my profile first completely and then make decision that you want to host me or not. Although my disability is not a problem for me, I mean, I don't need lots of help or care. But again, because I don't want that people after, when I go to their home and meet them, they say that, why you didn't tell us before? And maybe we didn't want to host like a person like that. And he's accepting, like when Mr. Baba told him that, yeah, I have such a guest, he accepted in the first time, and he was really welcoming. He said that you can come whenever you like, and this is very valuable for me, you know.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pati sahab, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ?
It's really honor to host such type of bravo soul, because एक मैं उर्दू लैंग्वेज में अपनी कौमी ज़ुबान में ये बताना चाहूँगा हमारी इस मेहमान के बारे में, क्योंकि हमारा मज़हब भी हमें यही सिखाता है, मेहमान नवाजी तो हमारे दीन का हिस्सा है। तो एक अल्लाह पाक हमसे कोई चीज़ लेते हैं ना, तो उससे बढ़ के नवाजते भी हैं। वो हमने प्रैक्टिकली देखा ही अभी है इस हमारी बहन की शक्ल में, कि देखें ट्रैवलिंग इटसेल्फ एक बहुत बड़ी सख्त मुशक्क़त का नाम है। ये कोई खाला जी का बाड़ा नहीं है। जिस तरह से अकेली 22-23 साल की खातून है, और इवन चीज़ पार्शली मतलब ब्लाइंड है, लेकिन उन्होंने इस चीज़ को सवार नहीं किया हुआ। कुछ 4 से 5 मुल्क फिरते हुए पाकिस्तान में इंटर हुई हैं, और बाय रोड सफ़र कर रही हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि बाय रोड सफ़र कर रही हैं, अपने आप को खुद ही वो माशाल्लाह लेके चल रही हैं। तो एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है ये हम सब के लिए, कि इकबाल के शाहीन होने के नाते कि हमारे इकबाल ने बहुत सी बातें ऐसी की हैं अपने पोइट्री में, कि मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, सितारों पे जो डालते हैं कमन। تو اس ہماری بہن کی شکل میں آپ سب دوستوں کے لیے ایک انسپریشنل اور ایک بڑی متاثر کن ایک پریکٹیکلی آپ دوستوں کے سامنے آصف بھائی نے یہ سٹوری جو شیئر کی ہے، تو سیکھیں ان سے کہ دنیا میں کوئی بھی کام ناممکن نہیں ہے.
یو نو اقبال لاہوری؟
Yes, actually he is my favorite poet in Pakistan because he has some Persian poetries also. And of course when I go to Lahore I'm going to his tomb, his shrine.